Hey guys, how's it going? So what you're about to witness is, well, you missed it. We dropped a pine tree that was dying over my uncle's, and we're going to proceed to cut it up, burn most of the branches, and then actually chop and split the trunk. So that's what you're going to be seeing right now. You see me going along there. It's amazing how many branches pine trees have. In a 1 foot region, there'll be like 5 or 6 branches. The saws we use, that's a Stihl Farmboss MS290 20-inch bar, and there's also an Echo Timberwolf out to the side, also a 20-inch bar. Pretty good units. And then the log splitter is a 37-ton Champion. But yeah, the reason I did this over spring break here was to figure out how all this worked and try to get ready. Hopefully we'll do some cool videos in the future, more agriculture related videos, maybe some tractor rebuilds and whatnot coming up. Apologies if the video quality isn't great. This is just using a knockoff GoPro from the old eBay. Filming, I believe it was 1080p, 30 FPS time frames. So we'll see how it works. Hopefully it's alright. Thanks.